This is our story of when we ran, our hands clutched tightly together. The unbroken road suddenly split into two, and there, darkness descended. But we didn't hesitate. We ran towards the blue light. We knew we'd be together again when we reached that light. How far did we run? Where is everyone? What if we'd taken a different path instead? Will we ever break free from this grim and shadowy forest? And then, a song floating through the darkness. There was an apple. Sweet and succulent, one bite and rivulets of cold nectar would drip past your lips. This is our story, the story of our parting at the fork in the road. Now standing alone before a glimmering red apple.